Yes, I am standing with Mahayuti leader Milind Deora here. Mr. Deora, this is perhaps the first time that you're not contestant from this constituency. You just cast your vote.
It's the first time in 45 years that Deora is not contesting from South Mumbai. And I've had the privilege to, in many ways, vote for myself for 4 elections. And we've been doing our best to represent this constituency. I'm now in the Rajya Sabha, so we decided not to fight this election. And but my main appeal to people is to go out and vote.
Certainly, go ahead.
And voting is a right, voting is a duty, and voting helps further strengthen the world's largest democracy. Something we should be proud about, it's something we should nurture, and it's something we should strengthen.
And you've jumped ships very recently. So now what are the changes that you'd like to see in your constituency? Of course, you've represented Mumbai South for the longest time. What new changes?
Vote for candidates, good candidates, vote for people who can take up good issues, who have a constructive agenda. That's my message.
And very importantly, we are seeing voter apathy for the longest time in urban centers such as Mumbai. So what would you like to tell voters?
We'll have to wait and see what the numbers are. I don't know what they are.
Do you think this time it will be more or less, considering the change in political landscape?
I hope it's more. I hope it's more. That's all I can hope for.
But do you think political landscape may have led to a lot of confusion among voters?
No, I think that people, regardless of what the politics, regardless of what we politicians do, voters may be discouraged sometimes. But voting is still important because it's a way to teach politicians a lesson, to reward politicians for doing good work. So regardless of what they want to do, come out and vote. That's my message.
Regardless of what they feel, come out and vote is the message by Milind Deora, who recently changed gears, changed ships from Congress party to Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde Sena. So his message to public is come out and vote regardless of what the political landscape is. Of course, he's a Rajya Sabha member. He had been representing this constituency for the longest time, but now he's come here as a voter. After casting his vote, he's just spoken to NDTV. His message to people, come out in large numbers. But will they come out in large numbers? We'll have to see. But so far, not so good. But perhaps in the hours to come, the turnout may increase.